wet dry vacuum uses electrolyzed water. It's the only vacuum mop that I've heard of with this technology. Even though electrolyzed water looks and smells just like regular water, it's a powerful cleaner that kills
the electrolyzed water feature. Simply turn the power button on, go to eco mode, and you just press this button to cycle through until you see the one that looks like electricity right there. And when you do that, it automatically starts to electrolyze the water right in the tank. And you can tell that it's doing it.
And it has a powerful suction that easily removes wet and dry messes and also tackles sticky messes on hard floors. I'm going to do a couple of tests to show you how it does.
Eco mode.
It has intelligent waste detection technology, and it recognizes how much the mess is, and that helps determine how much water to put down on the floor. And it cleans the floors of common messes with a water recovery rate of 90%. The floor is almost completely dry and streak-free in minutes. 750 milliliters cleaning water tank and a high-capacity battery pack that keeps you cleaning for up to 40 minutes. When you're done cleaning, simply press the button right here and it cleans itself. This machine cleans so well. I can't believe it. It only took one pass on most of this. Didn't really see that it was that different from others I reviewed, but after I tried it and tested it, I'm gonna give it a big thumbs up.